to today's video. Your girl's back. I'm excited because today's video is all about how to blend those eyeshadows, girl. I take you guys step by step. Also in today's video, I'm giving you tips and tricks that you might not know about, but by the end of today's video, you're gonna know about it, okay? Are you ready? Before we start this video, I want to ask, are you subscribed yet? I upload about 3 videos a week. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, always. Amen, amen. If you want to know how to blend your eyeshadows and create this eye makeup look right here that I'm wearing today using very affordable makeup, yeah, let's begin. Jumping right in, my face makeup is already done. I already have my foundation, my powder, and my brows on, if you are wondering. First thing is I'm going to prime my eyes. I like to personally prime my eyes with concealer. Now you can use eye primer if you would like to also, but I'm using this concealer to prime my eyes. It's from Col-lab. So I have oily skin, so that means for me personally, I have oily eyelids, so I need to set that concealer that I just applied on the lid area of the eyes. I'm using a translucent powder to do so. This is Coty's Airspun, and you can see it's translucent, so it's just gonna go right over my eye and it's gonna be very transparent. I'm using that same beauty blender again to apply this powder on the lid area of my eyes. The beauty blender is the real deal, okay? I love it. It's one of my favorites and I definitely recommend it to you. Now the first set of brushes I believe you need are blending brushes. When I say blending brushes, I mean the brushes that I use in the eye socket of the eye / to blend out any eyeshadow. So the first brush we have is Morphe 511 brush. The next brush we have is the Morphe 330 brush. Then the next brush we have is the Morphe 513, the Morphe R32. Eyeshadow palettes for anyone that I would recommend to you is the first one is from Morphe. Then if you've got a bit more money, I definitely also recommend this MAC Warm palette. And then if you're again on a budget, hello, I also love these Wet n Wild eye palettes. They're super inexpensive but also super pigmented, guys. The palette I'm using in today's video is the Morphe 15H palette. Now this is a medium brown shade. I'm also just using the Morphe 511 brush. So first thing is I always brush at that outer corner just to make sure I know where the eyeshadow is going, and then I start blending it out slowly using a very light feather hand to blend it out. So one of my #1 tip also is just to take your time. Don't rush the process. It's a journey. Then after I apply the eyeshadow at the outer corner of the eye, I like to go ahead and take anything that's left on that M511 brush from Morphe into that crease area. So pretty much all I did was I applied the eyeshadow at the outer corner of the eye, and then I started taking it into that crease of the eye a bit more. Then the next eyeshadow I'm going into is a bit more deeper warm brown, has a hint of red in it, and I'm gonna go ahead and place the shadow of the first eyeshadow we applied. So we started from the outer corner with that warmer deeper shadow, and then we started to place it into that crease area again. And as you can see, those two colors are blending together so beautifully on the eyes. Then the next eyeshadow I'm going into is a deeper brown shade. Again, never forget to tap off the Access eyeshadow. It's muy importante. Again, we start at the lower outer corner to apply this eyeshadow. Now with any deeper brown shade, you always want to take your time and build up on this shadow. And then I slowly start to take it into that crease area. Now the second set of brushes I believe you need are lid brushes. The first one I have is from Ruby Kisses. The second one I have is from EcoTools. Then I have the Morphe M124 brush and also the Makeup Forever 174 brush. Now taking that EcoTools brush, I'm going to place it into a lighter shade in this eyeshadow palette, and this shade is more of a peachy shade. And then I just start applying this shade onto the lid area of the eye and just really focusing it inner corner / lid area of the eye. You can see between the darker outer corner of the eye to the inner lighter part of the eye, there's a difference. So I like to go ahead and take my M511 brush, that same blending brush, and just lightly on both those eyeshadows. Then I'm going to take my eyeliner pen and do a small, as close as I can to the lashes. Now obviously if you're doing a larger wing liner, that's okay, you can go ahead and do that, but I wanted to do a simple small eyeliner with this look, just to show you that if you're gonna do a very neutral look like this, you can definitely do a very simple eyeliner. I know sometimes a lot of you guys ask me how I do my wing liner, so simply this is how I do it. Then I'm going to pop on some lashes. Everything that I use in today's video will be linked in the description box. I'm popping on some mascara just to blend my actual lashes with the false lashes together. Now, as you guys can see, after I popped on my lashes, you can see a little white specks right there by the eyeliner. I like to go back in with a little bit more of that eyeliner that's from Eyeshadow. And here's the before and after. Do you guys see a huge difference? I see a huge difference. Huge difference. Hello. Now, the third set of brushes I believe you need are under eye brushes. The first one is from Real Techniques, and then also the second one is from EcoTool. Now, these are actually both sold as eyebrow brushes, but I use them as my under eye eyeshadow brushes. And I'm just going to apply this eyeshadow under my eye just to complete the look and make my under eye pop. Then, of course, we're going to apply some mascara. So this is the final look and how I blend my eyeshadows. The eyeshadows look so natural and they look so beautiful mixed together. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe down below for new videos every week, about 3 videos a week.